Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Today we're finally going to install my strut bar that I've had for like a couple weeks now for the rear. I just haven't had time to install it, and I've been kind of lazy. I didn't want to take off all the stuff in the trunk and stuff, but I know it's gonna get coilover soon, so I might as well knock two birds with one stone, right guys? So this is pretty much what we're gonna be working with. The Megan Racing rear strut bar came with warranty policy, the letter from the CEO. Again, that's pretty cool how they do that, and two stickers. But yeah, let's get this rolling. So the tools that you will be needing today are some type of clip puller to get your clips, Phillips screwdriver, some type of ratchet to use your sockets with, 14mm socket, a 10mm socket. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is pop your trunk. Alright guys, once you get your trunk open, you're going to want to take off all those pieces that are off on the car. I am not going to show this on the video because I just installed my coilovers and I already had everything off. So yeah, I didn't want to do it all over again. But if you guys don't know how to do this, if you go down to the link down below, I have a link to my latest video of how I install my coilovers, and on there it shows me taking them off. Alright guys, once you get all those pieces off, you're going to want to go to the top of the strut, and you see those 3 nuts on the strut. You're going to want to take them off on each side, there and there. Alright guys, once you got those nuts off the strut, just go and get your bar, and there's just protective film on it. Just take it off. Alright guys, once you got your strut, you want to just put it on the strut towers there and there, and just put the nuts back on.
What you gonna do with it?
Alright guys, so the next thing you want to do is tighten those 3 nuts. I'm just going to tighten them snug since I do not have a torque wrench with me, but if you did want to torque them, the torque specification is 55 foot-pounds. Get those nuts torqued down and tightened down. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to take the bar off so I can get a better example on where I'm going to cut, because I'm going to cut around the piece that was around there so this could fit on there and make it look better. Piece back right there, it's sitting like right here, so I'm just gonna grab a razor blade and just cut around where I think it is. Well, let's see how this turns out. Guys, I know it's not the nicest, but this is how mine came out. Yeah, I mean, I think I cut a little bit too much, but hey, as long as it works, it works. Now let's get to this. So this is how this one turned out. It's a little better than the other one. It's not so big as this one. Yeah, I kind of like it better, but I mean, I guess it's alright. So, alright guys, let's put the strut bar back in. Alright guys, now if you guys want to tighten that down, you will need a 15 wrench to hold the nut in the back and an 8mm hex Allen. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished product right here. It looks pretty cool.